How's up here, buddy? So, about to go in for my normal Monday night date at Fourth Tap because it's time for some beers and bird. And I am matching my bird. And you may now ask me about my dress. Tell us about your dress. It is a vintage overall with the straps meant to keep me from flying away because I'm getting much better at it. I'm getting much better at flying. Also, if you're wanting to know, because I know everyone is totally enthralled by the new love story between me and Freddie. Freddie's doing great. He was scabbed and a little bit angry this morning, but, you know, we've come to terms with the fact that he wants to live there, and I don't want him to live there. I'm trying to eject him, but, you know, you gotta give and take. All relationships are a little bit of give and take. So... How's up here, buddy?